I was able to set up a camping bed inside my vehicle. Hey guys, I just thought I'd run through this setup of the camping bed during my last trip to Wales. This is a standard SUV, a Opel or Vauxhall Zafira. As you can see, I've got a standard camping bed. I'll just show you how long it actually is. From the back of the seat to the back, you've got over 6 foot. There's plenty of space, and obviously just put a standard sleeping bag on top. Worked out pretty well. Since the surface of the vehicle is uneven with folded down seats and I don't want to take them out, I've actually had to modify a little platform which supports the front 2 legs, and it works pretty well. Other modifications done to the vehicle, I've put these rain guards on the vehicle, both front and rear. I've also fitted these car shades. They actually provide ventilation. You can crack the window down and continue to provide ventilation whilst preventing insects from coming in the vehicle during the summer months. A real advantage. They're custom made for the vehicle. You install these little clips in place. There's one there and one there, and these can be left in